Alright, we're here in the Massasauga Provincial Park. It's a natural environment class park just south of Parry Sound, Ontario. It encompasses the islands and crystal clear waters of Georgian Bay and pristine inland lakes like this one right here. Right now we're on Vicary Lake. We just stopped for lunch. And we're going to continue exploring the little lakes and island chains of this park.
The park is located near the picturesque tourist town of Parry Sound, Ontario, which provides ample leisure opportunities and supplies for those looking to stock up for the trip ahead. Parry Sound is approximately a 2-hour drive from the GTA. This was to be my girlfriend's first backcountry experience, so I chose an easy introductory route, taking us from Three-Legged Lake to Spider Lake, largely because it was free of any major portages and challenges. We extended our route by taking a day trip and exploring the lesser traveled lakes to the north.
The portage from Three-Legged Lake to Clear Lake. So here we are on Spider Lake, which is pretty much a lake of bays and a bunch of intersecting channels, lots of little islands and great swimming spots here. In search of a monster bass or a monster pike, but tried our luck with the lines and nothing so far. But I hear there's some good fish in here.
We would use campsite 20 as our base camp. The site, like most sites on the lake, was quite private, and because it was in the narrows of the lake, it was sheltered from any major winds. The vast majority of sites we saw offered numerous tent pads, and the perfect place to swim or cast a line and try to catch dinner. Unfortunately for us, we didn't catch anything, a rare occurrence on most of my canoe trips.
So here we are on beautiful Questwinkle Lake. We came into it through Vicary Lake. However, the map said there's a 100-meter portage. That's not the case. It turned out to be about 400 meters. But we decided we'd soldier on through what appeared to be an impassable swamp. Right, so we're just doing the 100-meter portage from Vicary to Crestwick. And right now we just decided to lunchbox the canoe because there's no point in portaging it with all the gear and then the canoe over your head seems like more effort. Alright, well this is the supposedly impassable swamp that we're gonna try to gun right through. I'll save us a bit of portage work. All right, so we've ground it out. No water. We're gonna try it though. Give it a go. All right, so we just made it out of the swamp and not impassable at all.